Can I put this up a little?
Since you laugh so hard at mine, let's see how you manage this.
Welcome back to another episode of Tiki Talk. Today we are going to talk about a story of perseverance and resilience. I'm not trying to talk about trying to get an auto in Bombay, but this is a story of Bunty, 3 decades of building an amazing business. Whether it's shining at star-studded events or at intimate gatherings, for Bunty, it's literally and figuratively a piece of cake. So Bunty, first thing, I was trying to figure out the right pronunciation is delicacy, what is it?
It's DDCA.
So delicacy. Tell me from starting, small birthday parties and from home to being in Antilla and serving, for the Ambanis.
Of course, it was a very interesting journey. In fact, in the house, when I was used to bake from the house, it was these kids digging into the bowl of icing and batter and stuff like that.
Like, I'll tell you my personal story. My son was like 4 or 5 years old. I take him to a birthday party. To be fair to him, I think the cake cutting was delayed by 2 hours. About 2 hours later, I see my son and another friend of his with like cake on their face and the cake cutting hasn't happened. So I asked them, what the hell is this? So they said like, they're getting so late and we thought we'll just go and have the cake. I could have died that day, like thinking, what do I manage? So I actually, in distress, I reached out to a friend. I said, I need a cake in half an hour's time. Big one, as big as you can find.
My one disaster story, which you'll really be surprised, I have a pet in the house. We made a...
Dog?
Yeah. So we made a cake for somebody and it was a high-end fashion bag. And I had just kept it on my side table in the AC, protecting it in my way. But I don't know from where she got. And the next thing I saw was a bit of it was missing. So I said, what do I do now? Because it was supposed to be delivered soon. So then damage control at that time,
Did the dog go to deliver that
No,
cake or
no.
no? Okay.
It was quite a disaster.
किसी ने किया है, इसको पकड़ो आप. I believe you have a lot of Bollywood clients, right?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite? What's your favorite story there?
I'm very starstruck, I have to tell you that. And
So, all of us are.
highest point for me was when I baked a cake for Amitabh Bachchan. It was gifted to him. Then just 2 days ago, we had done for Dharmendra. So I like to do that because recently, yes, 2 days ago. So that gives me a high doing for these older people. And of course, the newer ones are there. Like Malaika is a good client of mine. There's Isha Deol, who's a regular client again. So yeah, it's been a great journey.
Now I think we switch to giving you airtime on what moms like. Like, is Suchit any good in the kitchen?
Suchit, I've been telling him a lot. You go and join some baking classes. It'll be helpful. So,
But tell me, does he keep
Yeah.
his wardrobe clean?
yeah,
Like,
he's
does he eat on time?
that I don't know. I don't think. Generally clean. He likes his house to be clean, and yeah.
So on that note, let's have Suchit come in. Suchit, come, please. Suchit, you've got a very kind mom,
Yes, I do.
right?
Yeah.
Because if my mom was asked this question, she would have like ratted out on me completely, saying, ये भी नहीं करता, ये भी नहीं करता, ये भी नहीं करता, ये भी नहीं करता.
We're partners now, right? So she has to be.
I have
bit
to
more
watch my
Oh,
work.
yeah. Our team is very what's called Gen Z or Gen Alpha, I don't know. They always like to do some fun stuff. So they put together a challenge where we'll be blindfolded. Each one of us will have to do an icing on this cupcake, but the trick is we are blindfolded. Like, I cannot even do it with eyes open, so this is going to be fun. I'm only betting on Bunty to do it well, blindfolded otherwise. But the first to go will be Suchit. All yours, Suchit.
All right, let's see if
Go
this
for
is
it, Suchit.
because I don't know where the cupcake is. First, I need to get the plate. Okay.
It's further up. Just
up.
go up.
Thanks for the help,
Go up.
Rohit.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, I think I
Yeah,
felt
you got it.
I
Just
felt
put
the
it on
cupcake.
now.
Mom, you tell me
My
because I
God.
think he's
My
sending
God.
me off target.
Oh my God, I'm really Suchit. No.
Okay, now I was going for it.
Suchit.
I hope I hit the cupcake
Yeah,
at
yeah,
least.
totally. Looking nice.
Just the cherry on top.
Looking nice. Yes.
No, the sprinkles on top.
Okay,
Now the
sprinkles.
Yeah.
At least I've hit the plate. I know that sounds.
Well done, well done.
Yes.
Well done.
I'm scared to open this now.
Oh my God.
Whoa! I did the icing pretty well, I feel, but it's on the wrong place.
Tried well, well tried.
Okay, Rohit, since you laughed so hard at mine, let's see how you manage this. It was pretty hard,
I got this right.
and I
First of
only
this
need to beat
evening.
you. Yeah, you're off a little bit more to the left,
Not too bad.
a little bit more to the right, I think. You're not on there yet.
Oops. Wow. Had to use his other hand.
Not. Wow.
Can you open the blindfold?
Yeah,
Yes, you should.
that's pretty amazing.
Very amazing, I would say. Suchit, you should be ashamed.
So guys, this is not too bad. Looks like Delicie, I don't even know if that's the correct pronunciation. Delicie by Rohit Kapoor coming soon.
Can I put this up a little?
No cheating.
Oh Lord.
Oh Lord.
Oh
Okay,
Lord.
yes, go Team Del. Yes.
Look at this.
I'm done, I think.
Yeah, now sprinkle
you
it
are.
up. I think we need to redo mine.
That was a piece of cake.
Yes. Was it okay?
Not
This
bad.
is
Really good.
amazing.
You can remove your
Amazing,
blindfold.
amazing. Just have a look.
Oh!
That
It won't be center.
It's off center. I'm too particular. I should have been in the center. Yeah, true.
Can you guys just ensure that this is shown as mine in the editing? Like,
And don't show mine, please.
so what exactly are you doing, Suchit? Like to be the good partner?
So I help her, let her do what she needs to do.
So
and
she's
I take care of everything
she's
else.
more the chef and the
Yeah,
in the kitchen. And
that's why I don't bother doing any of her work. She does it.
we
she
saw that.
manages it.
We saw that today.
That was proof. That was proof.
So tell me, what is your favorite story in running the business?
I think definitely, initially I questioned, should I join this? Should I do this? So the first 5-6 years I struggled. So I questioned, should I be doing this? But finally everything came together when last year, right after the World Cup, it was Rohit Sharma's daughter Samara's birthday. And we were doing the birthday
It's after
cake
the
for her.
50 over World Cup.
50 over World Cup, yeah. And I was really obsessed with him at that time because I thought he did
Yeah.
a great. I told Ritika when she ordered the cake, I really want to meet him. So just come for the party. I was like, are you sure? So I went and I hung out with him in a very private setting, and that was everything just came together. And I was like, this is just perfect. Can't ask for more.
Awesome. So from Rohit Sharma's daughter's party to the dog being responsible for giving you stress on a delivery to your husband really putting it together in terms of your learning and fresh fruits. What an amazing story. Can I have some tikis, please? Okay. So let me take them out. There you go.
Making us feel hungry.
So not meaning to sound like a typical Indian parent, but future का plan क्या है?
मेरा plan है to create.
We just want to be the #1 gourmet cake and dessert player in India.
And you see this as a top 10 city play, or you see beyond that as well?
For now, I would say top 5 cities.
Top 5 cities.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then slowly, and we do have a dual brand strategy. So we have a sub brand called the Bandra Cakery.
Okay, thank you so much, Bunty, for being here.
Thank you,
And
Rohit.
it was amazing.
Having
I
us.
think
Yeah.
love the conversation and all the best for all of your future plans.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Rohit. Thank you so much.